hope you're drinking your water and staying safe as well. Hashtag stay hydrated, guys. Hashtag stay hydrated. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Realme has done a fantastic job over here in India as far as audio products go. They started with the Realme Buds Air, which were really good at the time, and since then they've only gotten better. Now, a prime example of what I'm talking about are these earbuds over here. So these are the Realme Buds Q2. They are very new budget TWS earphones which come in for a price of rupees 2499, which is 2500, and offer a lot of interesting features and also active noise cancellation. That is very interesting. Now let us start by talking about the design and build quality. First up, this case itself is in this pebble shape, which I particularly like. It is not bulky, neither is it heavy. It's a lightweight and good looking case. Also, it has this matte finish texture, which I really appreciate and feels good as well. Feels good. Now, as far as the hinge quality goes, well, the hinge is not that good. Like even the slightest movement will close it. I would have loved to see the hinge be a little bit more sturdy. That would have been the perfect scenario. Now, as far as the earbuds themselves go, these are the ones which do not come with a stem. They directly go into your ear and look something like this. Now, I do not prefer this look because the fit is not that great. Like when I'm working out, running or moving around, there's a big chance that these earbuds will fall off my ear. So the fit is not the best out there, especially for my ear type. I would any day prefer a earbud with a stem because that fit is better and those earphones do not fall off my ear. So as far as the fit goes, I'm gonna say they're not the best out there. But apart from that, these earbuds look extremely cool, especially with this, glossy rainbow finish that adds some flair to these, and I really like this design choice. They look absolutely stunning, especially for the price of rupees 2499. They do not look like budget TWS earphones at all, and I do appreciate that. Also, very quickly, if you are wondering about this t-shirt, well, it's from my own brand. So if you did not know, I'm starting a new clothing brand with some of my friends known as the Dot Company. We are launching on 23rd of July, which is just around the corner. So make sure you're following us on our social media channels. Follow us over there because you don't want to miss the launch. We are launching some awesome t-shirts at very attractive price points. Now next up, let's talk about the pairing process. So the pairing process is in fact very simple. You just have to open the lid up and they will instantly show up on your device. These do support the Google Fast Pair option, which will work with any Android phone out there. So just open them up and keep an Android phone nearby and you will be able to pair them instantly. Now if you're using an iPhone, you just have to open up the lid and then go into your Bluetooth settings and there they will be. You just need to pair them once and the next time you want to connect them, just open up the lid and they will instantly connect to your smartphone. So pairing and connection is sorted. As far as the Bluetooth range goes, even that is pretty impressive. Like I live in a 2 BHK and I did not have any issues in my entire home. Now with some other budget TWS earphones, I did have issues, but with this one, I did not have any issues whatsoever. Now these earbuds also come with a companion app which is called as Realme Link. So you can download the Realme Link app and change the settings of these earphones. So you can switch between various modes like active noise cancellation, normal mode, transparency mode, or you can also change the sound profile. So there are various sound profiles and you can switch between them. The normal one is dynamic, which according to me is the best. Now we will talk about the sound quality in just a bit. Apart from that, you can also change the touch controls. So yes, these earbuds do come with touch controls. That means double tap, triple tap, long press and all those things. For example, I have set it in this way. A double tap on the right earbud will go to the next track, a double tap on the left earbud will go to the previous track, and a triple tap on either of these earbuds will play or pause the music. You can customize it in whatever way you want, and that's why the application. You will also get software updates for these earbuds via the app itself. That is an excellent thing, that software updates will improve your experience, and I do appreciate that. Alright, it is now time to talk about the buzzword, the main thing, active noise cancellation or ANC. Yes, these earbuds do support ANC for the price of rupees 2500. That is just insane. But the question that comes in is that how good is the ANC? Well, it is excellent for the price. So active noise cancellation on these earphones is in fact better than Realme Buds Air 2, and that is just crazy. I really like the ANC on these earphones. Now don't get me wrong, the ANC is not excellent and it's not like the AirPods Pro or the Sony earphones. Nope, it's not like that. But for the price, the ANC is very good. So it will cancel out most of the background noise, and if you're listening to music on high volume with ANC on, then you won't be able to hear anything in the background. So that is very helpful if you're in a noisy environment environment like on a train or a plane or whatever. Well, currently you cannot go anywhere out of your house, but you do get the point, right? Now there are a total of 3 modes: noise cancellation, normal and transparency mode. In normal mode, the ANC will be turned off. In noise cancellation mode, the ANC will be turned on, and transparency mode is somewhere in between. The ANC will be turned on, but you will also be able to hear the surrounding noise via the mics which are placed on the outside of these earphones. Now transparency mode is okayish and does not work the best out there, so I would recommend you to use noise cancellation or normal mode. Like, just keep it on or keep it off. But yeah, the bottom line is that I really like ANC on these earphones. It gets a thumbs up from my side. Moving on, let's talk about the main thing with any audio product, and that is sound quality. How is the sound quality of these earphones? Well, again, the sound quality is excellent for the price of rupees 2499. The mids and highs are loud and clear. There's a good amount of low end as well, and the overall sound stage is very well balanced. It also does not distort at high volume, which is an excellent thing. Now talking about the volume, it is not too much. It's not like 100% volume will just blast music in your ears. There's nothing like that. It is very subtle, and that's what I appreciate about it. The overall sound quality is well balanced and subtle. Now this is in dynamic mode. Now if you want a little bit more bass, then you can switch to the bass boost mode. And yes, you will get more low end, but it will distort the other frequencies. So I would definitely recommend the dynamic mode because that will give you the best experience overall. Sound quality wise, I am impressed, and again, they get a thumbs up from my side. Hey guys, this is a very quick mic test with the Realme Buds Q2. You guys let me know about the audio quality coming out of these TWS earphones in the comment section down below. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever it is, please let me know about that in the comments down below. Now what about battery life and charging? Well, on a full charge, I was getting somewhere around 4 to 4.5 hours of music playback, and this case will charge them up a couple of times again. So in total, I was getting somewhere around 20 hours of music playback, which is very impressive according to me. I would charge these earphones only like once a week or something like that, and that would be just fine. Talking about charging, there is a USB Type-C port on the back side, so you can charge up the case via the USB Type-C port. It's good to see that Realme is sticking with USB Type-C and not micro USB for their budget products as well. All in all, I would say Realme Buds Q2 are a solid package for the price of rupees 2499. You cannot go wrong with these TWS earphones, and they are literally one of the best out there. Realme is doing a very good job with their audio products, and I'm gonna say continue this. I am enjoying it, we all are enjoying it, and you guys are doing a fantastic job. So anyway, this was my review of Realme Buds Q2. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.